Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to all of you at my channel, Knowledge for All Seekers. And I hope that you all will be fine wherever you are. So, today is our second day of course about skill development course. And in this video today, we will learn that what we will learn types of libraries. Okay, what we will learn types of libraries, how many types of libraries are there in the world, how many types are there, and which type of library serve which people. So in this video we will learn about these things. Okay, so without any wasting any time, we are going to start our day 2 of 40 days challenge to become a trainer or expert in librarianship, library automation softwares, and other useful softwares. Okay, so today is our second day, and in second yesterday we learned that in last video we learned that what is library science. Okay, and our next lecture is today. So this lecture is all about types of libraries. Okay, so let's start our day 2. First of all, we will learn little bit about library. What is library? In simple words, in very simple words, we can define to library as what we will define. Yes, it is a place. What? Library is a place where books and non-book materials and other informative material is stored. Okay, it is a place. Library is a place where books and non-book material. Non-book material means CDs, audiovisuals, scanner, printers, etc. So just like this. Okay. So library is a place where books and non-book materials and other informative material is stored, preserved, organized, organized in a systematic way. Okay, and acquire. Okay, library is a place where books and non-book materials are stored, preserved, organized, and acquired. For whom? For whom we do all these things? For the people who use library. Okay, for people who use library. Understand? It is a very simple. We have made this very simple. Very simple definition. Library is a place where books and non-book material and other informative material is stored, preserved, organized, and acquired. For whom? For the people who use library, or to whom we can say that these are our users. Okay, for the people who use library or users, we all do this for our users. Okay, so library is a place where informative material is stored, preserved, organized, and acquired. Okay, in simple words. So now we are going to our main topic, that what are the types of libraries. Okay, number one, how many types of libraries are there? There are four types of libraries. Okay, number one, academic library. Which is academic library? Actually, academic library is those library which belongs to or which deals with any institutes. Okay, for example, school, college, or university, or any other institute like this, any educational institute. Okay, so another is Public library is a such library where everyone can use library. Okay. Another is special library. A special library is a such library in which all the collection of the library is belongs to any particular subject, okay, or any particular group of people. For example, if it is an engineering university or engineering library, then all the collection of the library will be about engineering. Or for example, it belongs to a medical, then all the collection of library will be about medical. And if it belongs to a law library, then all collection will be belongs to law. So these types of libraries are called special libraries. Another is National Library. National Library is a such library which is established by the government of any country, okay, any country, and it deals with all people of country with national collection, okay, which national literature collection, okay. National Library is a such library in which national literature is preserved and stored for users. Okay, so these are the four types of libraries: academic library, public library, special library, and national library. These are the four types of libraries which are available in the world. Okay, so we are going to little bit in deep that what is academic library. Okay, what is academic library? As I already told you, yes, I have highlighted main things. So see here, what is academic library? Academic library is the library which is attached to academic institutions. As I already mentioned you, it belongs to academic institutions such as schools. School is academic institution. Colleges, these are also academic institutions, and universities. Universities are also academic institutions. So, academic library is a library which is attached to academic institutions like these. And academic library serves to whom? Academic library serves more specifically the students, research scholars, teachers, and staff of institution. Okay, it gives services to whom? Academic library gives services to whom? To students, research scholars, teachers, and staff of the academic institution, not outside from institution. Okay, remember this. Academic library do not give services to the people who are not academic. Okay, who do not belong to academic institution. Okay, so, academic library serves those people who are students, research scholars, teachers, and staff of a academic institution. Okay, understand? The main objective of an academic library is to give maximum learning materials to its clientele. Okay, what is the objective of library? Academic library to give maximum learning material to its users or clientele, whatever you say, so that they may be fully educated in their respective level. Academic library give maximum materials to its users, okay, so they may be fully educated in their respective level. Okay, it's very simple. I hope that you have understand very well. So, in the very short, we can say that academic library is such library which deals or which attach or which related to schools, colleges, and universities. Okay, and academic library serves to whom? To students, research scholars, teachers, and staff of the academic institutions. Okay, I hope that you have understand very well that what is academic library. So we are going to moving forward. Now another is special library. What is a special library? Special library is one which serves a particular group of people. I already mentioned you that special library is such library which serve any particular group of people or any particular field. For example, engineering. If the institution is engineering, then this library serves only in engineering students or scholars or teachers or staff members. Okay. For example, there is an institution of medical, then medical library will be a special library because this library only serves to those people who are related to medical. Okay, no engineering student will come to this library because there will be not any material related to engineering, or no one will come in medical library because there will be not any engineering material for engineering students. Okay, same like this, there is a law library, so it and the whole collection of this library belongs to law. Means this statement is very true about a special library. Okay, it serves a particular group of people or any particular field. Means this library serves to those who are related to any special field. For example, engineering, medical, law, and industrial library. Okay, so these types of libraries serve special persons which belongs to these special fields related to above mentioned field. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very well that a special library is a such library which serves only a particular group of people or any particular field or any particular subject. Okay, so this was a little bit about special library. I hope that you have understand. So let's move forward. Another is public library. What is public library? A public library, which is also called circulating library. Okay, we can also say to public library as circulating library. Okay, a public library is a library which is accessible by the public and is generally funded from public sources. So this library serves to any public, and this library actually funded by public sources such as tax money and may be operated by the civil servants. Usually it is operated by the civil servants. Okay, but anyone can use this library as a user. Okay, you can use any public library of the world or any public library of the country or any public library of the state as a user. Okay, public library is an excellent model of government at its best, a locally controlled public good. It serves every individual freely. Okay, as I already told you that it gives services to any person of the world, of the country or the state. Okay, or the citizen. So if anyone wants to go in public library, so he or she can use their services. Okay, and another is national library. Number four type of library is national library. What is national library? A national library is a library specifically established by government of country. Actually, this library is established by the government of country. Okay, to serve as the preeminent repository of information for that country. It serves the people of country, and it is established by the government of country. Okay, unlike public libraries, these rarely allow citizens to borrow books. Actually, national library do not allow citizens to borrow books, but it is in rare cases that they allow citizens to borrow books. In very rare cases, they allow citizens to borrow books. Otherwise, they do not allow citizens to borrow any book from this library. Yes, you can come at library and read and use any services in their premises. Okay. A national library is that library which has the duty of collecting and preserving the literature of the nation. As I already told you that National Library actually collect and preserve the literature of the nation. Okay, literature of the nation. It's their duty that they collect and preserve the literature of the whole nation within and outside the country. Okay, within and outside the country. So, in simple words, that we can say that National Library is a such library which serve people and it is established by the government of any country. They serve their users, but remember one thing: you cannot borrow books from that library. Okay, but in rare cases they are allowed to borrow books, but normally, they do not allow borrow books. Yes, if you want to read, if you want to study, if you want to use their services, you can use, you can read, you can take their services, but in their premises. Okay, in their library premises. Okay, I hope that you have understand very well. And so this was about little bit about types of libraries, that which types of libraries are available in the world. So these four libraries are available in the world: number one academic, number two special libraries, number three public libraries, and number four is national library. So I think that's all for today, and I hope that you have understand very well that which types of libraries are available in the world and what are their functions and to whom they serve, which is very especially important, that to whom they serve. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very much. If you have not understand anything or if you want to ask anything, you can ask in comments. You can tell me in comments also that whatever you want to know, you can ask in comments. Okay, so this was the day 2 of our skill development course. So in day 2 and lecture 2, so what will be the next in this course? Let's see. Yes, next lecture is about online classification and cataloging tools for librarians. It is very important topic. Be connected with us because we will learn that what are online classification tools available for us, for librarians to use. Okay, even we will tell you the many classification tools and cataloging tools. Even you don't have to use ddc scheme or any other classification scheme to for classification of your libraries. Okay, of your library material. We will tell some of very important online classification tools and cataloging tools also, from where you can classify directly without using any DTC scheme or without using any other classification scheme very easily. Okay, and we will learn about cataloging tools also. Okay, so be connected with us. If you have liked this video, then tell me in comments also, and if you are missing something, then also tell me in comments. And if you want to ask anything, you can ask in comments also. And if you like this video, then share it with your friends also, and whatever, share it with your friends. Okay, and more importantly, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon as well to get the latest videos about this lecture and this channel. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next video about online classification and cataloging tools. So till then, bye. Allah Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.